It was a warm welcome to Porirua, the central hub of Te Tai Tonga.
Oh, look, amazing. And again, you can't help but remind yourself what a privilege it is to be visiting these regions and for the regions to be able to showcase what it is that they think is important and the wonderful mahi they did. So beautiful, beautiful.
Ngā Tumu visited Te Hiringa, the youth hub for more than 60 tauira on the Youth Guarantee programs. There's the performing arts class. Even visual arts tauira based in Wellington City came out to showcase their talent. And a sports fitness program. Jonah Powell hasn't looked back since he enrolled in the fitness program.
Oh, I was at the mall, just walking around and one of my friends said, "What are you doing here?" And I was like, "Oh, nothing here, shopping for clothes." I was wondering why I wasn't at school. I told him, "I don't go to school yet, so I should come try the sports and fitness course." Something about doing exercise makes me feel better, and the fact that this whole course is based around fitness kind of makes me feel good about coming here.
Jonah says having good transport options to attend the course, a free breakfast and a supportive learning environment has helped them succeed.
It's kind of like we're not really getting told what to do. They're not actually giving us stuff to do, they're actually helping us get through it. And sometimes they even do it themselves. They're just kind of supporting us.
He now feels like he has real options in front of him.
I've always had interest in cars, like mechanical engineering. But then again, I looked at what some of the stuff that personal trainers do. I kind of got interested as well.
Tumu Ratonga Kiri Milne Ihimaera says the hikoi has been hugely beneficial for her as she focuses on enhancing services to tauira.
Well, I think I'm really lucky that in my role my focus is on students, and so it's so important that we actually come and see where the rubber hits the road, what is it like for our students, and then of course talking to the people that support our students and help them on their journey is important too. So I've been able to do that in the hikoi so far.
Te Tai Uringi Jim Mather went beyond the call of duty and, in an example of leadership, took off a suit jacket and got physical with the tauira.
It's important to walk the talk, and I've been telling my new executive directors that it's great to be able to talk about what we're going to do, but the talking represents only 10% of leadership. 90% of it is actually what we do on the ground, so it was just a small way of demonstrating the fact that we are going to walk the talk.
Both Te Tai Tonga senior management and tauira were inspired by the visit.
Any of the kōrero they've heard's been nothing but positive, been nothing but excited. As a region, we look to be progressive, and we see the changes as allowing us to do the stuff that we know needs to be done. And we're just looking forward to working with our new tumu. We're working with Jim and the team to create a new future.
To me, it says that having a low staff turnover reflects strong leadership, a strong sense of direction, and a strong commitment to the kaupapa of our organisation.
The next stop on the hikoi is Whirikoka, where we meet future stars on the Māori Performing Arts program. Te Nathan, Te Wānanga, Aotearoa.